Before we get into this amazing video, I just want to say I absolutely love HforHype. I'm wearing one of their t-shirts right now. And I also want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has been supporting my videos recently. I have now partnered up with HforHype. And you can now use my code on screen, Chocolate Muffin, to receive 10% off your next order. And, you know, 10% off your next order. The minimum spend is $200, but you get 10% off. You also receive a mystery pair of socks. That could be Palace socks, Supreme socks, that could be any kind of socks they have on their site. So yeah, use code Chocolate Muffin for 10% off your order. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, Chocolate Muffin HD here, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today's video is what you've probably been waiting for. So today, I have the Supreme White Swarovski t-shirt from HforHype and the Supreme White Swarovski t-shirt from Dhgate. Let's see which is the best. This one here is from HforHype and this retails for $49 US. This one is from Dhgate and this one retails for about $25 US. See the price difference, but what comes with the price difference? Let's move on to my iPhone. So, going over both t-shirts, they are both literally the same. Like, from above, you wouldn't be able to tell. There we go. This one's from HforHype and this one's from Dhgate. How do I know? Because this one from HforHype has the verified authentic tag, which looks absolutely amazing. They've done a really good job with the StockX tag. Very, very nice. And this one from Dhgate just has a Supreme sticker with this on. This had from HforHype. This did actually have this with everything on. I obviously took it off because I absolutely love this t-shirt, and then it has this weird whatever this is. But as you can see, this is the sticker. This is the tag from Dhgate, which is okay. The lettering is a little bit weird, as you can see, and this is from HforHype. As you can see, it is totally different. The little tap thing down there is hiding, but as you can see, the tags are completely different. Like, this one has the little Supreme on down there, as you can see there has the little Supreme, but as you can see, this one is bolder and this one is well, just overall, this one right here, the one from HforHype is just better. As you can see, you know, it's got the little Supreme there. As you can see, it's more clearer than this one. They used a darker ink, which has made it go a little bit weird. But going from the tag up above, as you can see, I bought in an extra large. It looks okay. It does look okay. Let's compare it to the one from HforHype. So this is from HforHype. As you can see, the colors are a lot different. And this one's in a large and this one's in an extra large, so don't worry. But as you can see, this is more washed out. I have actually washed this t-shirt, so it is a little bit gone. But as you can see, that actually looks that looks a lot better than this one. Okay, this one's more bolder, but they've used a cheaper ink to process this, and you know, this one just looks better overall. There is no inside tag, which I found that on t-shirts. I didn't actually know that. But let's go over the HforHype box logo. So as you can see, this is absolutely amazing. Okay, the HforHype box logo has a little bit, you know, weird crystalling there, but that's fine. That is good. And on the white t-shirt, it's absolutely horrible. As you can see, the white coming through, which I don't like. I didn't know that, but you know, there's a little spacing here, which is absolutely good. But overall, the crystal placement is absolutely amazing. You know, is really good and really good. And you know, keep in mind that this is a $50 product, and it's way better than the other one. As you can see, this little crystal there is a little bit, you know, it's a little bit facing down, but you can push that one up. But yeah, this is just best. This was just the best one overall. And then we go into the one from Dhgate, and then you can see the flaws. Okay, like, what is that for starters? The one from HforHype, as you can see, is nice. It's nice and like built up. And the one from Dhgate is all weird. You can see there's a little crystal missing there. And if we go for the one from HforHype, there is no crystal missing there. you know, around here as well, look, there's a crystal missing there. And if we head over to one from HforHype, there is no crystal missing there from there. It's literally the same. You know, there's a bigger space and stuff. But yeah, this isn't good. And if I just picked it, also, if I just literally just like started going like that, I probably think the crystals will come off. If you do want me to do a test on this and see how durable it is, tell me in the comments below, and I will do a test on, like, test durability test. I know for a fact their ones from HforHype are so much better. Because I've seen them actually test them, and they've like scratched the crystals with knives and stuff. And the t-shirt overall, the quality is, you can see, is a little bit dirty. I have worn it, sorry about that, but the t-shirt overall is just so much better. Like, this one feels so cheap, you know, is really thin, but this one feels really heavy cotton, and as you can see, it's so much thicker as well. It's just so much better overall. They're both the same, but they are so much better. The HforHype one obviously wins this battle, but yeah, it's just so better. You can still get them. You can get them in white, black, and red. I have actually ordered myself a red one, and I might order myself a black one if you guys are lucky. But yeah, it's just, oh, look at that. You know, a nice bling and stuff. You know, they both have nice blings, but the one from HforHype is so much better in my opinion. So that's it, basically. Tell me which one you prefer. Do you prefer the one from HforHype, or do you prefer the one from Dhgate? Obviously, I prefer the one from HforHype. They're just so much better in my opinion. They actually care about their customers, and I know this is like a cheapy t-shirt and stuff, but this feels really heavy cotton. And then you get this, and it doesn't feel the same. If I was going to say which one was real and fake, obviously they're both replicas, and I don't condone buying fakes, but you know, with me, I rep with the rep gang. If you don't, then get off this video. But yeah, it's just so much better overall, the quality and just everything. As you can see, they're both the same t-shirts, but they're just so much better. And HforHype went a step closer, a step further actually, with their verified authentic tag. When the one from Dhgate, you get this. Like, what is this? Okay, like, I'm not trying to be funny or anything, but that is not a verified authentic tag. But guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Smash like if you want to see more HforHype videos. I've actually got 2 more videos coming from HforHype. Actually, 2 more products I meant. I will have so many more videos coming from HforHype. And like I said, if you want to use my discount code ChocolateMuffin, remember you got to spend over $200 to actually get your discount. But it's so much better than Dhgate, okay? I recommend HforHype massively, okay? Definitely check them out. Link in the description. Link in the description for this product, for this exact product. I'll put all the links in the description. I'll put their website link. I'll put their Instagram. I'll put their website link for the white one, the black one, and the red one. Do you want me to put this one in? I'll also throw in the Paris Box logo one. And also, in one of these eyes and in the description below, there will be a Paris Box logo review where I actually reviewed it. And if you do want to see me review this, check out the link in the description, also in the eye as well. But yeah, my Instagram is actually down below. I've had a few messages and stuff, a few comments actually, I must say, asking me, do I have an Instagram where you can message me and tell me how the quality is? It's down below. If you guys want to contact me and say how good a HforHype and stuff, tell me definitely down below. You know, you can just follow my Instagram, message me, or just comment down below. But other than that, guys, I'll see you later. Bye!